In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Poshmark order. Whether you're eagerly anticipating the arrival of a special item or simply like to stay on top of your deliveries, tracking your order on Poshmark is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together so you can feel confident that your purchase is on its way. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Poshmark website, open your preferred web browser and type Poshmark into the search bar. Hit enter, and once the search results come up, click on the official Poshmark website link. If you're not already signed in, no worries, you can do that in the next step. Once the Poshmark homepage loads, you'll see a login option. Click on it and enter your credentials, your username, which is usually your email address, and your password. If you've forgotten your password, no problem. You can easily reset it by following the forgot password link. Successfully logging in will lead you to your Poshmark account where all your buying and selling activities are accessible. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It might be a little circular image or a generic user icon. If you haven't uploaded a personal photo, give this icon a click and it will drop down a menu revealing different sections of your account. These sections categorize everything you need under one handy menu. Scroll down this list and find the section titled My Purchases. This is where all your orders are organized, making it simple for you to access them in one place. Click on My Purchases and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the items you've bought through Poshmark. Now it's time to locate the order you want to track. Once inside the My Purchases section, scan through your orders until you find the one you're interested in tracking. When you have found your order, give it a tap or click. This step is crucial because it opens up the specific details for that particular purchase. In the Details section, you should see everything related to your order, including its current status. This will either be through a tracking number linked to the carrier's delivery platform, or an update directly from Poshmark on your order's whereabouts. If you don't see any order to track, it might be because you haven't purchased anything recently, or if there's a long list, double check to ensure you're looking at your most recent orders. So there you have it. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to track your Poshmark order with ease and stay updated on its delivery progress. Enjoy your shopping and see you next time with more helpful tips.